In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update Facebook Messenger app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up App Store or Google Play if you are on Android, and then just search for Facebook Messenger in that way, and then if that button next to Messenger app says update, you can just hit on that to get the latest Messenger app version. However, if that button says open, there may still be some technical updates here, and especially if you are having some problems with your Messenger, if there are some bugs, some errors, some glitches, you may force reinstall Facebook Messenger app, and let me show you how you can easily do that. So let's hop out App Store for now, and then just head over to the settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, and then scroll down until you find the Messenger app. You can also use search to search for Messenger, and then you will be taken to this page where first off you should upload Messenger app, and then hit add reinstall app, and what that will do, that will force reinstall Facebook Messenger app and most likely remove any bugs, any errors, any glitches with that app without deleting your documents and data. So when the process is complete, you will be able to open up Facebook Messenger app and use it as you did before without even re-entering your login and password, because that doesn't remove your documents and data. If you are on Android, you can just clear Facebook Messenger cache. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook Messenger tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.